today's watercolor class, we are going to learn how to paint fruits and floral wreaths. Hi, my name is Jolly and I'm a watercolor artist based in the Philippines. I'm also known as Jolly Poa on Instagram, and that's where I post my floral paintings and also my process videos. I am currently pregnant, and over the past few weeks, I have been painting the fruit sides of my baby just to document his growth. I love painting florals, and I thought of combining these two elements into a wreath just like this. But obviously, you don't need to be pregnant to enjoy and learn from this class. Doing this personal project really fueled my creativity, and this is an experience that I would like to share with all of you. In this class, we will talk about the materials that we need. Aside from watercolor, we will also learn about using white gouache and how it adds another dimension to our floral wreaths. I will also be giving you tips on how to form a wreath and also where to put the fruits and the florals in such a way that they will complement each other. Before we dive into the class projects, we will learn how to paint 8 different types of fruits individually and also more than 8 floral elements that we will also be using in the floral wreath. Everything is filmed in real time, so you'll be sure that you can follow along as I paint. This class is suitable for beginners or for seasoned artists who want to try something new and who want to fuel their creativity. After learning how to paint fruits and florals, at the end of the class, you'll be able to create 5 different class projects. You'll be able to learn how to paint a lemon wreath, an avocado wreath, a peach wreath, pear wreath, and a mango wreath. This was once a personal project that is now a class, and it really inspired me to create something new and just get out of my comfort zone. I hope that you will enjoy this class, and so let's get started.